Alright, Pixel Fold initial impressions and review have dropped today. The phone is due to come out on Wednesday. So without further ado, let's get to this video. So a bunch of creators on YouTube dropped their video on their initial impressions / review of the Pixel Fold. Now the reviews are a little inconsistent amongst each other, but then again, everybody has their own experience. Everybody's experience is going to be a little bit different than their own because they don't quite use their device exactly the same. So Marquise Brownlee did say that his battery life did suffer a little bit. It sucks. That's the only negative thing he probably had to say about the device itself, besides it being weird, and then he absolutely said he loves it. So that's good news to hear. But his battery usage and his battery life with devices have always been a little bit weird. I don't know if he just uses his devices so much, or a lot of it has to do with carriers. Sometimes if he's not getting good reception where he's at, the phone tends to work a little bit harder than usual and results draining the battery a little bit faster than others. But others have said that the battery life is good. It has been better than the Pixel 7 Pro, better than the Galaxy Fold 4. So who knows? At this point, who knows? But I'm super excited to announce that my device is going to be here on Wednesday, and I will most definitely check that out for you guys. I'm super excited for the device. I was a little bit on the iffy side because of the Tensor G2 chip. I strongly was an advocate for them holding off and waiting into the G3 chip arrive, but now I've watched a lot of those reviews, and a lot of reviews are saying absolutely good things about this device, so it just amped my excitement to the next level. I don't think I'm gonna be able to sleep here for the next 2 days.
What is wrong with you?
Chip, I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew.
It is Monday. I do get my device on Wednesday. I'm super excited. Probably not gonna go to work on Wednesday, to be honest. I think I'm gonna call in and wait for the device here so I can do an initial unboxing for you guys. But so reviews are out, initial impressions are out. Go out there, check them out. I know the phone is kind of pricey, but have been a bunch of good carrier deals. I think AT&T offers half off with the new line. Verizon's giving you good deals. The only thing I haven't seen anything about deals is from T-Mobile. So we'll see what they have to offer, but there is a bunch of good carrier deals out there that's going to make the phone a lot cheaper for you to get. It's available on Amazon. You can pre-order it on Amazon if you don't want to go through no carriers, but the Google Store obviously unlocked, and I'm waiting to see if Google 5 is going to have any deals as well. I didn't see any deals on Google 5, but there is going to be other means of getting it and not paying full price for the device, just like I did. But I wanted to be first. I wanted to get it, so I'm not going to wait for any carrier deals or anything or be tied to those at all. I just want to get it, see if I like it. From what it looks like, I'm gonna absolutely love it. I can't wait. Let me know down in the comment section below if you're excited about this phone like I am. Are you gonna get it? Are you thinking about getting it? Are you gonna wait on those carrier deals to see if you can get them for half price or anything like that? But I do have a bunch of cases for the Pixel Fold. I got like 5 or 6 cases from different brands, so stay tuned for those if you don't know what case you're gonna get. I also got the official case from Google themselves, so that will also be reviewed with the phone as well, and other case manufacturers, to give you absolutely the best case for your Pixel Fold. If you want to put it in the case, if you don't, then don't put it in the case. You know what I'm saying? I'm just rambling right now because I'm super excited, and I just, like I said, Wednesday can't come soon enough. Again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!